Ekuveleni kwakhe emphakathini kokuqala kusukela kwenzeke izigameko enkandla ezinsukwini ezintathu ezedlule, ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBheki Cele ubesemkhankasweni wethula uhlelo lokugoma amaphoyisa. Ucele uthi kade balilindele lolu suku lwanamhlanje kodwa okubuhlungu lufike sebelahlekelwe amaphoyisa angamakhulu ayisithupha amashumi ayisikhombisa nambili.
The sad part of it is that we reached this point when we have lost about 672 of our members. We wish that could have been earlier so that we don't lose those members. And those 32,000 of them, 500 who have been infected, thanks God that 30,000 out of them have really recovered.
Ucele kanye nokhomishana wamaphoyisa uJenene uKhehla Sithole babe ngobokuqala ukugoma. Ziyikhulu nesikhombisa izikhungo zokugoma amaphoyisa ezibhalisiwe kulo lonke leli. Ucele ugcizelela ukuthi ukuqokwa kwezimfonyo, ukuqaqana kanye nokuhlanza izandla kusafanele kwenziwe noma ngabe abantu sebegomile. Qube wathi bengamaphoyisa bajabule kakhulu ngalesi sinyathelo.
I want to repeat, we are happy on behalf of the family of SAPS. Thanks.
Ucele uzwakalise ukweneliseka ngendlela amaphoyisa asebenze ngayo enkandla.
I want to congratulate the police, the way they behaved at Nkandla. The problem is that the information people that don't have, we will have. There were about, that is proven, Malungelo, there were more than 100 people there that were armed and were mingling within the people that you saw at Nkandla. There were more than 100 coming from some hostels and coming from some areas in KZN, armed. Now, police knew that, police had that information. To show that they even tried to provoke the police by having those firearms used there, shooting in the air and all that.
Ayizinkulungwane ezikhulu namashumi ayisishiyagalombili amaphoyisa okulindele ukuthi agome, kanti ucele uthi unethemba lokuthi lolu hlelo luzoshesha.